Hey. If you're like most people, you're at least tickled by the idea of being able to walk around with a lean figure that turns heads wherever you go. Now, I'm not saying this custom meal plan will sculpt your body into the best shape of your life overnight. It takes time and effort to lose fat and tone up your body. But I will say that they've designed this custom meal plan service to help men and women all over the world turn their lives around and take charge of their health and figure. To show how effective the meal plans are, here's what real clients have to say. As of today, I've lost 35 pounds, I have no hunger pangs, and mentally I feel sharp as a pin. This is definitely going to become a way of life for me as it's so easy to follow. All my meals are planned out for me, and I even get a downloadable shopping list with all the ingredients I need for the weekly shop, so it really is a doddle. Katie Thompson, UK. I'm 4 weeks into my custom keto diet plan and I've lost 14 pounds, which I must say is pretty incredible. It's actually amazing watching my body transform into something I am actually proud of rather than something I have always tried to cover up. Jessica Gray, US. I've struggled with my weight my whole life, and it's safe to say that I've tried a lot of diets. The keto diet is the only one I've managed to stick to, and the weight is literally melting off my body. Unlike other diets where I am feeling hungry all day and food is constantly on my mind, the keto diet has completely eliminated this. I actually never feel hungry with this way of eating. I would definitely recommend anyone struggling to lose weight to try these custom keto meal plans, as they really have been a godsend for me. Gary Best, Canada. Obviously, they deserve a hearty round of applause for their dedicated effort and results. But that's not why I'm writing you today. I'm writing because you can follow in their footsteps, too. You can start right now on your journey to a lean and healthy body, and I want to prove it to you. It's simple. Click the link to claim your 100% made for you keto meal plan designed to help you lose fat, boost energy levels, and improve health. We'll show you what to eat every day to reach your goals in the fastest and most enjoyable way. In other words, my team and I have done all the heavy lifting for you, from determining your calorie and macro intake, to setting up your meal plan, to outlining meal prep instructions, and more. All you have to do is follow your paint by the numbers instructions and reap the rewards. Enjoy! Postscript: remember, you're covered by a simple satisfaction guarantee that works as follows. If, for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with the service and results, just ask for a refund and you'll immediately get every penny you've paid back. That's how much confidence my team and I have in our custom meal plan's ability to help you get where you want to be. So, if you're ready to take control over your weight and health, click the first link in the description below, because there are no downsides to this offer.